Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Confirm your Philips model and that firmware isn't stale, because outdated system apps fail to authenticate. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi signal and check speed. Low bandwidth causes buffering and sign-in errors. Once done, power cycle both the TV and the router, hold off 30 seconds, then relaunch the YouTube app. You should observe the exact error text or failed state so you can target the next fix, rather than guessing what went wrong. Now you take direct action. Clear the YouTube cache and app data in settings so corrupted files don't keep breaking playback. If that doesn't work, uninstall updates or remove the app entirely. Reboot the TV to flush memory and processes. Then reinstall or update YouTube from the Philips App Store, because a fresh install restores compatible binaries. Make sure to sign back into your account and test playback. If you see the same fault, note whether it's sign-in, playback, or crash related for final troubleshooting. Finish by addressing network and account causes. Change your TV's DNS to a public resolver like 8, 8, 8, 8 or 1, 1, 1, 1 to avoid ISP DNS issues, and then test YouTube. If sign-in repeatedly fails, go to your Google account and remove the TV from the devices list so you can reauthorize it fresh. Only if nothing else fixes the issue, perform a factory reset, but back up preferences first. Troubleshooting tip. If problems persist, try YouTube on another device to confirm whether the TV or the account is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.